Cardiovascular disease or heart disease is a major killer in the world today, and in India too. Many people, young or old, are affected by this disease. And despite the use of cholesterol drug and hypertensive drug or other cardiac drugs, the people are still become a victim of this unfortunate or premature end of life, this cardiovascular disease. Now we know that although the cholesterol is one of the recognized risk factor, but we now know that it is not so. People are admitting into the hospital about cardiac events or stroke. 75% people have normal cholesterol level. That means there are other risk factors that is responsible for the cardiac events. We now know that the platelets, the circulating platelet, the blood cells, are one of the major factors contributing the cardiac disease, the development of atherosclerotic plaque formation. When platelet become hyperactive, then it produces so many molecules that interact with the vessel wall with the help of cholesterol and also immune cells and also inflammatory or redox inflammatory conditions that lead to the plaque formation. The question is, how can we tame or normalize the platelet hyperactivity? Of course, one can use aspirin, but it cannot be used regularly because aspirin has a lot of side effects and 30% people don't respond to it. That's why the American FDA and European Cardiological Association, they recommend for so-called healthy people should not use aspirin because of these negative problems, the side effects. But the billions of people having this problem because of sedentary lifestyle, wrong kind of diet, physical activity is almost vanishing, and also living in polluted city with a stressful life, etc., all lead to platelet hyperactivity. So we are looking for natural solution for that, and we found that in kiwifruit, the water-soluble fractions that contain the very small molecular weight molecules, they have a huge potent in inhibiting platelet hyperactivity, and also it has a activity that inhibit angiotensin converting enzyme. So today we have called Genactin, that is a water-soluble kiwifruit extract, specially isolated. It is patented, and it has a tremendous power to, as shown in human trials and in vitro studies, that it can inhibit hyperactivity of the platelet and it can normalize the blood pressure. So if you consume Genactin along with L-arginine, that is called Genactin Plus, it can actually make your cardiovascular system more healthier, and it will prevent the future cardiovascular event by inhibiting the plaque formation and normalizing the blood pressure. Thank you.